Who would do such a thing? This sweet pup was abandoned and left to die in, of all things, a trash compactor.
The appalling crime happened outside of a Los Angeles church. Cops say the puppy had been dropped into a trash compactor like this one, which automatically crushes its contents to make room for more garbage. It seemed like the pup was doomed.
But a passerby reported hearing whimpering coming from inside the trash can. Sergeant Nick Beerling arrived just in time. The 18-year veteran of the Gardena Police Department named the pup Norm on the spot after Normandy Avenue, where the little guy was found.
Do such a thing?
I don't know. Evil people.
The year-old terrier mix was taken to the SPCA LA South Bay Adoption Center. 5 days later, there goes Sergeant Beerling checking in on Norm. With its tail wagging, Norm gladly goes into the sergeant's arms. But gotta say, the other family dog, Winnie, is, well, still adjusting.
Everybody really likes him, except for our dog, Winnie.